na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex niyo mucurigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, homeboy. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Wairire vyanainde mwancho muri wa Getembe TV kene Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwengeri tukiri Jumatatu tariki 15 nemo mutinyo gatana narimo mwaka bwekiri ubere 2025 mwancho muri gerenche nguru kwa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboga kurwaso muna abimanyerere nabo igabal na basundari kuri studio yakabene ragongonya kwene kebuna TV chana Mario ngo ikara chiri asenchira ire yebwe karon kabana into ikomoera tokumanye gati ari abereka gwateka korwa imena isko hioro gongorwa gusiana muno amangana atekire gose ari atoikire neri buna umu deputy inspector general w'abanyanyimbo Eliud Ragat nigo astepri aside gose nige tigire meremo asegeka gose nige asukire nsemo erio obotuki igoro yogo kwa gose ogoito ko mu blogger nabo igomorokia aserieta Albert Ochong bogendrego korekana anene muno esege kogera nigo abasaibe gorgia jensi babeire bakoreta riberera na kumubolya aitige meremo asekagire buna nere oirerete umusayo ko bakagoito mwancho muri ritskeriga nigo umuwaziri w'uburendi bw'ime umuske Onesmus Kipchumba murko menere aika asamagacho Harambe House umucho Nairobi erigo kwanira oburendi bwense wosoburendi bwense ya Kenya aseboigo akwanira amonchorerio ayuara chokone kiwa asa ebitaseni by'abanyanyimbo imeyense ya Kenya bunenchira yamo emirimo yo gukora amaberera abere akwenekiwa korwase abasaibe kegorigia agency ase ewiki eyemo yaberekewe ta usama tukabwangoiga kosa umusa uyo na ikago kumanya buri tangani gosomo blogger alipatio young abete kagwito gwansira rero nigo mwancho murigere ase kyongeke ya Chinsa Ikomi nigo torache kogotebya ayo amona yande asenchera ere yobonge kabana into goika omwairo na togo chaka nigo abamenye bebunge ya kitutu chache South County ya Kisii bari neke bakogokera eyamagenga yo munzumbe borongoru umuske Anthony Kibagendi kwiri ketambukiro na kubaroseria epara ya Nyakoe Kioge Junction goika matongo yamagega yeri berera ritindi ko bagwe kwene kiwana abamenyi bense meyo asibesogete nabo igokorobekana eri korera obwe pare yo eyo yabeteke gotongorya obosombi ase ensemeyo
Alitanga kwa mosi Ekeonga nsongo omumenyi onyakoe wodi mna tutenega sipatu tunega tore Nyakoe ase pare koru Nyakoe Kioge Junction ekogenda mpaka matongo pare for a long time yarabi nelibira linene singe nchutari gwetika bya singe ngiye mbure nyinge pare kabanga asarika abana inchi abange baramikire abana bodaboda ba Kioge stage baka bakora mandamano over the same ne pare aingembe taigwetika
amwe mpike bagendi atokonyire gotorosagie pare ya to yo gokon singenje metare saligete etijete tere maje tari goeta bara ge kobutoka taigende yonsi abeji pigibia ana baito bachandikira mono
njobono ekurokitano kire para contractor no ari andi ujege paya angekorosugwa para yagare iwe Ganda rumoro mone ino epaye yete kobere bina mutagete erinde ino abana boda na abantu bose banyakoe batumeke pare kimogo etana ino mwaita biya
so ntagete ko basabanga kurasa umujumbe to baba toereru igasi yegendrete eparanko remwere da grading yegendrete iga da to gukura grading na ande mangana gravel imago chako moro mubekwe na ande tutagete ko bamacho sana singinje pare yara irege kake ibe ku moro muikiranete egere enyare gokonya bananji ase gakiri Getembe
sawa na wadire
abatugi bechiombe chamabera kurase bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo ritkoria rero banyora maigiro igore chinchera barache gokinya rigesaria boria mabere maigiria yiga nigo ainono ne board ya Kenya Dairy ase boigo abarimi babule gosoa ase biombe gosechi corporate eri banyore obokonye boranyare ko basira aso boremi bwabo.
And it means these farmers must increase the volumes of production to see how you can help these farmers increase their production, and this is what all the trainings are all about.
So ile tunajaribu ni ku ensure that we produce clean, quality and safe milk. Ingine ile nimesikia director akisema ni issue ya cooperatives and the way to go ile yenye tunasikianga tukisema pesa mfukoni inaanzanga watu tukienda kwa cooperatives ndio mnaweza ongelea bei yenu mzuri, ndio maneno yenu inaweza ongelelewa hata huko juu.
Tukiwa na industrial park tunahitaji factory ya avocado, tunahitaji factory ya creamery ili masiwa yetu tunapima, avocado zetu tunapima. Hapa nje tutapata hiyo pesa? Si president ndiye ataleta hiyo pesa? Sasa nataka mnisupport mwezi wa 10. Nataka kuleta president kwa mambo ya dairy farming, ninataka kuanzisha creamery kwa kaunti yetu ya Nyamira kila ward kwa 2020 tunaenda kuanzisha creamery.
Tunaona kwamba hamjaweza kujiunga katika ile school feeding program, and I would want to invite or extend our invitation to you to come on board so that we can have a discussion on how we can do a school feeding program, of course in partnership. We'll show you what the other counties have done.
So tulianza na kufanya public participation katika kwa mashule, tukafanya public participation kwa mwezi wa Mei kwa sababu April watoto walikuwa wako likizo. Tukamaliza public participation katika mashule. Mheshimiwa Governor ametoa ahadi kwamba shule zote 408
zenye ziko katika Nyamira County zenye ziko na ECD centers kwamba school feeding program inaenda kuanza.
Ancho muria tuiranirire story gosomugano na chika kokotebia aburi tanganikera twachakire Ekeonga igoro yo gwetigia emirimo asegika egeke gose egento kimanyika ibuna go step aside como deputy inspector general wa banyanyimbo Eludiragat oyo otigire megirimo asegika gekeigo erio botuki igoro yo gokwa gose goitwa como blog Alpatojang korwase county ya Homapay oyo boigo orenge omworo kiobete kagosiria obugima bwaye asegita seni kia banyanyimbo Mbogia Central omushio Nairobi bonyare gokorekana andake amaberera yekegori gya jensi naro agerire omu inspector somo deputy oyu kwetigia emirimo asege kabono. Bamenyi bekenyorokia kia munyinga wodi ya bokeira ni gobe sokire na kurobekana ere kwameriria okugariwa wepara yensemeyo anemone serikali ye county ya Nyamira na boigo gwetera omugambi borogongoru ase pare yo yaberege kugariwa na marimo yabanyene kobakagosuno korengana barabo ni go babeire bagusaba omugavana ose serikali ye county ya Nyamira na boigo omugambi borogongoru goesokia na goteba osigukwanira chinchera bairete ere kugaria epare.
Mara ya kwanza wakapiga mitaro peke yake, walipopanda juu kurudi sasa wakapatiwa wao instructions wang'oe fence. Nikafikia operator mmoja nikamuuliza sababu ya kung'oa fence na alikuwa ametuahidi barabara ikilimwa italimwa pande zote mbili, hawataenda kwa upande mmoja. Chief ndiye ako na kesi yetu, yeye ndiye alitoa instructions hadi mahali penye barabara itafika wafuate post za stima. Na hizo poles zilikuwa zimewekwa na watu wa stima walioweka, walisema ya kwamba post zingine zitakuwa ndani, zingine zitakuwa nje, ndio umeme, hizo waya za umeme zisishikane. Sasa kufikia hapo ndio sijajua sababu ya chief kuegemea side moja na kuacha side ya kwao.
Na tunataka kuuliza kwa upesi na haraka sana, tuelezwe ni sehemu gani assistant chief akonayo katika development ya ward hii na haswa kutoka Nyamira County, kwa sababu hii barabara ni ya ward, na kwa sababu hiyo inatakikana mheshimiwa mwakilishi wa bunge hili la ward hii ambaye anaitwa Joel Ombongi, yeye ndiye anahitajika kufanya kitu inaitwa public participation, aite wananchi wote kutoka pale juu kwa dib mpaka mwisho mahali shule barabara inaishia kilomita 5. Awaambie hii barabara tunataka kuipanua kwa sababu ya kuleta maendeleo, lakini ni hatia na ni kinyume cha sheria chief kuchukua mamlaka mkononi na kupeana instructions to the county government officers ati yeye wewe enda tengeneza barabara vile nimekuambia. We are asking the county commissioner and we are asking the area member of parliament, tunauliza mheshimiwa gavana wa Nyamira Nyaribo, tuelezwe kama hii barabara ilifanyiwa public participation, na kama walifanya public participation, chief kwa nini anasema ati barabara isongeshwe ifuate vigingi vya stima? na pili waje hii barabara itengenezwe. We are asking the area MCA akuje afanye public participation. Tunajua surveyor kazi yake ni kufanya mapping na tuelezwe ni kwa nini. Na
Waziri boborendi boime omuske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo akwanira oborendi bwense ya Kenya. Okwana korwa amagacho Harambe imeyo mocho Nairobi. Kipchumba nigo akwanire gati ya maunchuru arache kwenekiwa asepita seni bya banyanyimbo gati yabo kubekwa chikamera gose chi CCTV.
Important for all of us to know as Kenyans that just the way we say in elections, the polling station is the final place of voting. The police station is the final station of reporting any crime in the National Police Service, and therefore, every person, including senior officers, even the minister, everybody else has to always go back to a police station, and therefore, we want to make the police stations to become the center of excellence. We shall make the respective budgetary adjustments to prioritize these reforms among other modernization strategies in the forthcoming and subsequent financial years. We shall also pitch for support of these priorities from our development partners to ensure efficient and effective implementation of these reforms. As we relentlessly advocate for appropriate conduct by the police, there must be a reciprocal emphasis on the responsibility of citizens to show respect towards police officers as they discharge their lawful duties. Just as police officers are held accountable and subjected to public scrutiny, citizens too must accept that their actions are not beyond reproach. We are extremely concerned by the increasing instances where police officers have come under unwarranted attacks while executing their lawful duties. These challenges must not be ignored, and they point to a broader need to foster mutual understanding, accountability, and respect between the police and the public. In some instances, the nation has watched in disbelief as individuals forcefully entered protected areas such as parliament and police stations, with incidences such as burning police vehicles and destruction of government installations. Equally alarming are cases involving mob justice, acts of banditry, and illegal possession and public display of firearms. Such acts not only threaten national security,
Wabwatani betsemini go bakwanire omurubiri OCBC bakorawa no munyakirogo o Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development KICD Professor Simon Gisharu ni go bakwanire kungusana na okokware ngororo iguru y'umurimo bw'esabu asomurubiri OCBC asebono Gisharu atebire ni go esabu erache gotwara Chinsa gya gose nigerache kobagwa kabere ase omurubiri OCBC ensagi ntangani nase aborokiwa bali barache gokora emirimo ya sciences gati yabo chemistry, physics na boigo biology amone miremende na boigo emiri ensagia ya kabere na abasabaro kwa bari barachi okora emirimo ya art na drama yemanyekaine muna essentials.
There was a debate a little bit about the issue on mathematics, that mathematics had been omitted as a compulsory subject, and I can say we listened to Kenyans and we went back to the drawing board, and what we have done is that we have come up with two different types of mathematics. The mathematics for STEM, those who will be doing science and mathematics, science and physics, chemistry, and so on and so forth, and also the mathematics for others who are doing arts and drama, and we are calling it essential mathematics. So that issue of mathematics now is fully settled, and we are now embarking on developing curriculums towards achievement of that. I want to say that we as KICD, we are equal to the task that you are given, and I want to assure Kenyans, wherever they are, that the rolling out of CBC is very much on course. In terms of development of curriculums, we are ahead of the schedule because we don't want to reach the grades that we are going into and find that we are not prepared. So I want to say that we are prepared. Also, the government itself, you must have seen a pronouncement from the policymakers that soon they will be building more laboratories in schools to support the rolling out of CBC. So I want to say and assure Kenyans that we are okay, and CBC is rolling out of CBC is doing extremely well, and there is no.
Oikera gabo mwancho muriga nongo chwekera mwari Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchirayo bwenga mwaro nchinga treni Nyaboga veni Nyaboke kuraso muna bwimanyerero bana basundari kuri studio akabenero kwaneke buna chibichechi na marengo kirachira asenchirayo bwekerano twara borigerere boro byatomera neritskoria ange.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills yuko yabwatuka ucyase abahonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale yurengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriya amabati yiga ntobwate Getembe Temple abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega au munabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega ashiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba munyibaita